Hi everybody. Okay, so it's day 7. I didn't have a good night's rest. It was very hot and my skin is on fire. You can see how badly burnt I am. Look at that. I definitely have sunstroke. I took some medication this morning. I'm very nauseous. Apart from that, my tech, nothing charged last night, so I had to sit and wait until 9 a.m. to see if I can just get a little bit of battery power into everything. I will record as much as I possibly can, but I don't think the batteries will last very long. I have no plans for today. It's going to be a really excruciating day again. So I'm just going to take it one step at a time, see how far I can get today. Yeah, my skin really hurts. Luckily, someone gave me a really strong sunscreen. So, yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna walk. Apart from that, the feet are holding up. My shoes are not. They are falling apart a little bit, so that's gonna cause a lot of friction on the skin. If it's gonna become too bad, I will have to buy other shoes, but let's just see how it goes. I still don't have any blisters or anything. My muscles are really getting into the swing of things. It's easier to carry the backpack. It's easier to use the trekking poles. Yeah, my legs are getting stronger every single day, so that's good. Okay, well, it's 9 a.m., day 7. Let's see where we end up. All right, let's go. Buen camino. Hi everybody. Okay, so I couldn't do it today. It wasn't a complete waste. I did an almost 6 kilometer walk, but I had to listen to my body and stop. So I arrived at this place, which is great, and run into some old friendly faces. People that I've met before that's also here for the day. But early this morning the owner was kind enough to take me in immediately and give me a bed to lie down, and I'm just replenishing and having a lot of water. I'm not feeling well at all, actually, to be honest. The weather is turning. It's starting to drizzle. Apparently we're walking into a couple of rainy days up ahead, which means the downhills are going to be the challenge, because it's going to be a slip and slide all the way down. But apart from that, I think I came up with a new plan. You see, you learn as you go. The Camino teaches you. So my plan from now on is get up at 6 a.m, no later than 6 a.m. every morning. Start walking at 6:30, get a head start on the sun, finish walking, find accommodation around and about 12, walk until 2 o'clock, max 4 o'clock, that's it. These arriving at the accommodation at 8 o'clock at night still have to eat, still have to shower, only getting into bed at midnight, can't fall asleep because your legs are aching. Getting 3 hours of sleep and then start walking again and facing the sun. No, it's just not working. So that's the new plan, and I quickly want to show you what the place looks like, because it's such a cute spot. And tonight we have like a family dinner when we're all going to sit down at a formal like table in a house. It's really cool. I like it. Well, I'm still alive and still gonna do it, but I have to listen to my body when it tells me to stop. I'm not here to end up in the hospital, that's for sure. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Let me quickly show you what the place looks like. Let's go. Say hi, Catherine.
Oh, hello. Hello.
She's the professional hiker. She tells us what to do and what not to do.
No, not at all.
So this is where we're gonna have dinner tonight. It's very cool, right? So now when you get here, you have to leave your shoes and your trekking poles.
Je suis fatigué aujourd'hui.
That's where I'm sleeping for the night, right by the window.
Je l'ai vu là, mais c'est où le téléphone, ça a marché là. Mais j'aurais pas.
And look who's here. My
Hello.
good old friend Harold.
From Mexico.
Mexico.
From Mexico. Me working on my toes.
Yes.
Yeah.
First blister.
The first blister.
Yes.
And I met you way back in Orison. Yeah.
Yes.
Nearly a week ago.
Yes.
Yeah. So
It's only
happy.
been a week, people. It feels like 3 months.
Yes, it does. It does. It is not a walk in the park.
No, it's not.
It is not, but I'm very
I'm glad
happy to see
you're confirming that, because maybe my followers think that, you know, I'm lying or exaggerating.
No, it's a
Look,
difficult.
the clouds are coming in. Yay! Okay, well, from Harold and me, bye!
Bye.